Hey IT crew, want to know if someone opens your email? Here's how in 2 minutes on your PC. Open Chrome, search Email Tracker extension. Tons pop up. Pick one like MailTrack, click Add to Chrome on the extension page, then Add Extension. Done. Simple. It's free. Adds a double check mark like WhatsApp. Now test it. Open Gmail, hit Compose, send an email to yourself. Type your address, subject test, send. Open it in your inbox. Boom, MailTrack pings you. Check the extension. Green checks mean read. It perk. Track team replies without begging for confirmations. Caveat, some platforms block trackers, works best with Gmail, Outlook. Verdict, quick, handy, install it for email intel. More at 1MinuteITShot.